Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss on the most controversial security issue, the WhatsApp and the Signal privacy talk. We have been discussing this for a long time. As you can see, maybe I would tell you like you cannot get the full privacy on the internet. Like you have the best apps here, some are WhatsApp, some is Facebook. You have also the Signal coming in telling you that this is the safest app you have ever. They only collect your mobile number, phone number, whatever. They won't collect anything else. That's what declared on your privacy policy, and you think that's the safest way. So I think then you imagine you should exit WhatsApp and go after the next app. So let me tell you, this is all. Both applications were actually built by the same founder, and okay, I agree that the newest organization is a non-profit organization currently. Similarly, like what I would say is that WhatsApp was similarly a safe app at some time until they got acquired by the Facebook. Then the founder even told that this would be safe and they won't take any privacy issue. They won't even put ads on WhatsApp. So, but this is a big controversial issue we have been seeing for the time being. And what I'm saying, though, the founders they come with the idea of privacy in the mind, and then they let you know that this is safe, which happened. All of them you start adopting the app, you start using it, and then later on it's like almost very mature. Then they start putting the ads or something. Then they start sending you data, which they already have the database with them. So I would say that all these free applications, they have only one thing in their mind. They have your data, and that's their most uh, expensive resource they have, and that's their power. So even if they go after the investors, they tell you they have such data with them, and they have this much billion users data with them. That's their value. That's how they actually bring the app to a bigger level, and they get investors of millions of rupees and so millions of dollars as well. So this was being discussed sometime on my channel as well. I was discussing this on my LinkedIn channel. Yeah, so people were telling me that if you respect the privacy, you should actually leave from the WhatsApp and go after Signal. So yeah, I gave a better response like such people uh, uh, like such even this was the same thing that happened to WhatsApp. People are going after the from Facebook to WhatsApp in case of privacy get. But same thing today, it's not the same. Like they actually modified their privacy policy by the time, and as you know, the internet in there, you can actually, there are a lot of third parties who are actually looking after your data, every packet of data you are sending to app, phone or mobile or something. There are the telecom providers. Then there are the ISPs who are actually after you. They would like to know what you're doing, what you're buying. Let's not imagine about that. There are tons of cookies or something to track you down, which websites you access, which websites you don't access, and your shopping habits, eating habits. There are much more things than that. Trust me, even in India, there are like tons of, there are 10, 11 organizations out there who are actually snooping on you. Every data you can, if they want, they can access any data you want. And any persons, they can actually like monitor. In India, there's no such a proper privacy policy for study. And that would be an issue, I think. And maybe, so I was going through the signal policy, and yeah, their last update was on May 25th, 2018. So we can expect a further update soon for the signal. And it's been a long time since they updated privacy policy, and this is something that is upcoming. Next, there are also, they will provide the data to any government request, legal process, regulation, and it's like anything. Like it doesn't need to be a terrorist attack or something like that. It can, if they want, they can get the data from anyone. With a proper. There are a couple of organizations. There are so many government organizations interested in the data. They after the data, if it's encrypted, they'll find the key and decrypt it, and it's just like that. So they also tell that these are the information they actually provide, the account information, the messages, the contacts, the users support. And it's more than that, I think. And you have your own rights. That's good. No access to emergency services. Okay. How to signal. There are much more like that. I mean, you have to be 13 years old to use a service. It's good. But at the same time, I mean, like people are not doesn't open their voice against the other applications they use. Like even if you go after the Google, like they have around the 4,000 word privacy policy to tell you everything about it. Like imagine like the data you're giving to Google, they collect everything, like your apps, browser devices. Not just that, the activity, the terms you search, the videos you watch, the voices activity, the people with whom you communicate or share content. Everything is being collected by Google. So I mean, like who is not a user of Google is a bigger thing. Like everyone uses the Google, and no one places a voice against them. I mean, they collect your GPS, IP address, sensor data, information about it. Yeah, it's a lot of things. I do not like to be off. Yeah, it's like a 4,000 word privacy policy like that. There's a bigger privacy policy from Microsoft and all organizations out there. I tell you, like even Telegram shares the data if they get a government request. And you think it's safe? It's not. You know, I mean, like I would like to conclude this on a simple thing. Like if you're not paying for the product, you are the product. I mean, all these applications out there free. You can even use it. That's how they actually multiply. If you provide the product for free to all the users, I mean, everyone start adopting it, and that way they get access to a lot of data. If you are paying for it, I mean, they may not be interested in sending the data because that's how everything they have. But unfortunately, it's not the way the social networks work. I mean, some other network may go down and take your data or change the privacy policy or something. And and I would like to tell you, even a non-profit organization can be converted to something a profit organization. It's like a couple of legal procedure for that. You can do that. And it's not a big deal for any of these organizations. And as I would like saying, even the founders of WhatsApp just sold off his app because when it came into the uh, I mean, it shouldn't be happen like that way because if he cared about the people data, I mean, the privacy and health, he wouldn't be selling that to Facebook because even at that time, we all knew that Facebook was the thing who actually take away all of your data. But the thing came to be different. I mean, I clearly not trust the founder because it's not the way. I mean, if you are giving something free, I mean, you are the product and your data is the most valuable resource currently. Thank you.